Welcome back, students. In the previous lecture, we ended on the command number 5 from command number 1 to 5. Now we start from the 6th number and ended on the 12 number. So start from the this one, 6 one, which is cal command and date command. So open the terminal, sudo su and type your password, and now you're in the root mode. So type here cal command, it show you the calendar, and if it is not work, then you can install it. You can see that this command is not pre-installed in my Linux operating system, and but I'm in the Kali Linux, so it show me that if you want to install it, then just type press Y to install it. Now if I type here cal, press enter, it show me the calendar. You can see that here is the calendar. This is the use of cal command. Now type here date, press enter, it show you the today date, that what is the date today. Next command is cp, mv and rm. cp is a abbreviation or short form of shortcut of copy command, mv is a shortcut of move command, and rm is a shortcut of remove command. So how these commands works? First of all, let me show you the graphical file manager here. Okay, both places I'm in the same directory. Like if I type here ls, you can see that the files, and here also Armitage, LDYLL, and here also LDYLL available. It means that I'm available in the same location on both directories, graphical or in the command line. Now, what is the use of cp command? So for example, let me show you first. When I enter in the pictures folder, and you can see that there's a nothing anything available in the pictures folder. I want to, let's suppose that I want to copy any file, any folder or anything and paste in the pictures folder. So what is the procedure in the graphical? Simply select the file like toolx. So copy it and go to pictures folder and simply paste here. So this is a simple method of graphical. So if I want to do this process command line with the help of command line, then how can I do this? First of all, firstly let me delete this file, delete, and now you can see that there's a nothing anything available in the pictures folder. Now the command line method is that type cp and type the file name that you want to copy. The file name is toolx. So let me tell you the important, very important thing is that what is the use of tab button? It is available in the every keyboard of every system. Does not matter you on the MacBook, in the laptop, in the Windows operating system or and desktop. The tab button is available everywhere. Now when I type any command like TOO, and I want to complete this command automatically. Half of the command I type manually and half of the command I want to complete automatically. Then press the tab button. It will be automatically complete your command. And this is very helpful during the process of hacking, because there you need a very quick response and very quick typing. So I want to copy this toolx file. So type cp means copy this file and press space. Now type the location where you want to copy this file. So I want to copy /home /respect and /pictures. Press enter, and you can see that this file is copied at the real time in the pictures folder. And if you don't understand about that, how to type this one /home respect pictures, then I tell you the shortcut of this one. First delete this toolx. Now simply open one more terminal. Okay, close this one extra terminal. Simply go to a pictures folder and back click here and open terminal here. Now just type here pwd and it show you the location of your current directory. Copy this location, Ctrl Shift C, and you can close this terminal. Now type here cp. I want to copy this toolx file and where you want to copy. Now paste the location that you copy from the terminal, another terminal, and press enter. And you can see that this file is copied here in the real time. So this is the use of copy command, cp command. Cp is a shortcut of copy command. The next command is move command, and move is a shortcut of move. So for example, I want to move this command into another directory. Let's see that. Let's create a folder here with the help of command line mkdir new f and press enter. Okay, let me delete this one because I'm not in the pictures location. So first of all, let me enter in the pictures location. Okay, now if I type here ls, the toolx file is available here in the command line and graphical also. So let's create a new folder here with the help of mkdir command. Mkdir new folder, new fold, press enter, and we create a new folder with the help of command line interface. Now I want to, let's suppose that I want to move this file into this folder. You have two to three methods or two methods. Firstly, select this one and drag into the folder, and it automatically move into that folder. And if this method is not work, then simply select this file and cut it, open the folder and paste here. This is not working due to I'm using the root mode, and root files are not working without the root permissions. So let's do this process with the help of command line interface. So type here move, mv is the shortcut of move. I want to move the tool x file into the new fold. So new fold is available in this directory, so that's why I directly type its name. If I want to use the another method, then I can also use that, like slash home slash respect pictures and new fold. Okay, so if the file is available in the same directory, then you can directly type that file name like new fold. So press enter. So now open this file folder, and you can see that this file is moved in this folder automatically. New fold open, and this is a file. Now I want to move back this file. I want to move this file from here to pictures location. So let's see, move. First of all, let's check that this file is available here or not. So this is not available here. So you can also copy and move from the external location, like move slash home slash respect slash pictures new fold, and what is your file name? toolx. I want to move this file into home respect pictures and press enter, and this file is come back from here to here. So this is the use of move command. Now we left there's a one command left on the 7 number, which is rm. So rm is a shortcut of remove command. Rm, it means that its full name is remove. If you want to remove any file or any folder, then you can use the rmdir command. But if you want to remove the file only, then you can use the rm command. So let's create a file here first, ls. So let's suppose that I want to delete the toolx file, and first let's delete the folder. Type here rm new fold and press enter. It shows that it cannot remove because it is a directory. So because we use the rm command to delete the files only, not the folder. So if you want to delete the selected file or folder forcefully, then you can use rm space -r and then type the file or folder name. So let's see that it is worked or not, and it is worked. Okay, so we use rm -r to remove the file or folder or anything forcefully without any record and without any issue, without any warning. Now let's remove the command, the file toolx with the help of only rm command. Toolx, press enter, and this file is deleted at the real time. So we complete the 7 number. Now let's learn that what is touch command, type into file, and echo command. Then ifconfig dig and traceroute. So what is touch use of touch command? So currently I am in the pictures location. So let me go back. If you type cd space dot dot, it means that uh, go back one step go back. Okay, and here if I type here pwd, I am in the home location, home respect. So here is the home location in the graphical and in the command line. So for example, I want to create a new file here. So graphical method is that simply back click and create a document, empty file. Type your file name like testing.txt.html and dot any type of file. Okay, but this is the graphical method. So let's create a txt file, and here is a file testing.txt. So what if you want to do this process with the help of command line, then the process is that type touch command. Touch mean you want to create a file, touch space and type your file name like testing 2 dot txt or dot html or dot any type of file. So let's create a txt file and press enter. Now find the testing2 file here, and here is the file. So let's create a one more file which is not available here, testing3.txt. You can see that the testing3.txt is currently already not available here. So when I press enter, and here is the file now, testing3.txt, here is the file. Okay, so with the help of touch command you can create any type of file through the command line. Now let's delete the file, this file rm testing2.txt, press enter. Testing3.txt and also the testing.txt ls. Now the next thing is that type command into file, type greater than file. It means that the material or the text which is available in the specific file, you can move or copy that material into a new file using this method. Let's suppose that there's a file toolx file available here. Here is the file. So let's suppose that I want to read this file. So what is the graphical method? Simply double click it and it show you in the browser or in the file manager or in the text editor etc. Okay, so what if I want to open this file? So what if you want to open this file in the command line? So we have a command cat and type your file name if you want to open that file in the terminal in the text form, and here is the file code. Okay, so now we are going to use this command type into file. So why we use this command? Let me show you an example. So if I type here tool x tool x and I want to copy all the material which is available in this toolx file into another file, then type uh, toolx into and now use the greater than sign space. Now type the file name where you want to copy. If the file is not already available, then you can create a new file just like test file dot txt and press enter. It takes only a few minutes or a few seconds to complete this one, and it copy all the text which is available in the toolx command, copy into the test file.txt. Okay, this command takes too much time to complete it, but I show you the usage of this command. Currently, I'm cancel this command. Now let's see that this file is available here or not, and this is the file. So type here cat test file.txt. So why this is not working? Because toolx is not just a file, toolx is also a complete tool package manager. So that's why it is not working here. Let me type here, let me copy another file here like lol.txt or loop file.sh. So let's copy this file material, type cat loop file.sh. So this text is available in the loop file.sh. So for example, I want to copy this file into test file.txt, press enter. So it shows that this is not working. Now it is worked. If it is not worked, then you can use the cat command in the start of this command. Now let's learn this command, test file.txt, and you can see that the material which is available in the loop file.asset, same text is automatically copied in the new file which is test file.txt. So with the help of this method, you can save any text, save any file, or copy any or move any type of material from one file to another file. Now we have a echo command. First, let me clear the terminal and type here echo, press enter. So nothing will be happened. But if you want to use this command, then the method is that if you type here echo space double quotes, these are the double quotes. Shift, press shift and this button, and if you type any type of text here like this is the text only and press enter. So it print the same text here. So this command is normally used in the shell scripting, not in the normal use. So that's why this is not look like a useful command. So let's jump to the next one. That is ifconfig dig and traceroute. This is related to a networking command. If I type here ifconfig, press enter, then it show me that all the interface which are related to internet available in my system or my laptop in my Kali Linux operating system, like loopback interface and IPF and detail subnets and every detail about the loopback, same like VM virtual where VMnet 1 VMnet 8 and my Wi-Fi adapter which is WLAN 0 and my IP address, my MAC address, my IPv6 address, and all the detail about my all the interfaces. So this is a use of ifconfig command. Now if I type here dig command, so let's see what happened. So the dig command uses that if you want to know about your domain name or your running domain name information, like on which domain you are currently working. So you can use a dig command. If I dry run this dig command without any arguments, then it show me that my server IP address, its port number, and then my IP address and on which protocol I'm currently working. So it is working on UDP protocol, not the TCP. TCP is a secure, UDP is fast but not the secure. TCP is slow but secure. So this is the use of dig commands. Let's type here, for example, dig a website name powerinweb.com. Then it shows that the powerinweb.com domain name is domain IP address is 9.18.12 into 1 and its IP address is this one 92.249.45.106. So that is the use of dig command. With the help of dig command, you can find the information about the domain. And the next is traceroute. Firstly, let's create the terminal. Now, if you type here traceroute and press enter, then the traceroute have a different usage, same like the dig command. If you type here dig space minus minus help, then it show you the another usage of this dig command. Clear the terminal. Now type here traceroute space IP address. So how to find the IP address? Type ifconfig. This is my IP address. Copy it. Now type traceroute space your IP and press enter. Then this command show you that on which internet you connected and how many hops between in your way. So here is the use of traceroute command, but this is not a single use. The traceroute command have many more uses. I tell you that you can check with the help of this traceroute space minus minus help. And if you want to learn more about the traceroute command, then you can check that man, it means manual. Then type traceroute. Trace route and press enter. So this is the user manual of the trace route command. To exit from here, press Q button. And the next command is ps stop kill. Open the terminal and type here ps. What you observe from here, it show you that on which terminal, on which mode you log in at for how many time, like zset, sudo, su, cmd and ps. Next is top. So top is a very useful command. If you type top, only top and press enter, does not matter you in the root mode or not in the root mode, uh, it is work in the both mode. So this is actually a task manager alternative in the Linux. If you open the task manager in the Windows, then it show you the every process usage, like which process use the CPU, how many percent of CPU use, how many percent of memory, swap memory, internet, virtual memory and other resources, and what is the process ID of that resource. And if you want to use this, then you need to only type top command. So that is a use of top command. It is actually a task manager in the Linux. So that is the use of top command. So there's a one more use of top command, which is kill. So for example, if you want to end any task in the Windows 10 or any type of Windows 10, Windows 11 and also Windows 7, then you open the task manager, select the task and press the button end task, and that task will automatically terminated or cancelled or stopped or closed. So if you want to do this in the Linux, then you need to use this one, like type here top, press enter and see that which task you want to cancel or end. Just copy that task process ID. For example, I want to cancel this one, 254821. So type here kill and process ID. Let me type here manually, 254821 and press enter, and this task will automatically terminated, and it show you that this is not currently running. And if this task is running, you can forcefully cancel this task with the help of kill command. The next command is that yes and factor 128. So if you type here yes and space, in the single or in the double quote, you can type any type of text, like if you type here uh, my name is Jason and press enter, then it continuously type this name with the high speed. So cancel it. So this is a use of yes command. Now if you type here factor, let me clear the terminal first. Factor. So factor is a converter of your text into a bits. Like if I want to 2273221393 is a factor of this value. So with the help of this factor command, I can find the factor of any type of value. Like 256 factor is 2 at this time. Okay, now the next command is that shutdown now -c and -r. So we use the shutdown command to shut down our system, but if I directly type the shutdown command, then by default it takes a time of approximately 1 minute to shut down your system. For example, let's see that I type a shutdown, so it is scheduled to 1 minute later and then it is shut down. Now I want to cancel the shutdown command, so type shutdown space -c and shutdown is cancelled. Now if I type shutdown minus now, then it shut down immediately. I don't want to press but because I don't want to shut down. So if I type shutdown -r, it is rescheduled to the same time. So cancel it. So we complete this lecture section. So that is for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.